techniques para na rin po yan ng mga anak mo, kaya patuloy na maghihirap ang angkan mo. You will be in a space of continuous suffering, limitation, okay, poverty, hard life, all right, puro mabigat na buhay, all right, and worse, a life of sickness and illnesses. Okay, yan po yung pinaka-worst part niyan. Hindi lang sa pera, pati kalusugan. In fact, you will also have a devastating relationships. Okay? So, with that, all right, sa mga nanonood ngayon, sino gusto dito ang maintindihan ito at mabigyan po ng tulong para mabura ang kanyang cyclical ancestral karma? Sino po dito ang magustong ma-heal today? All right? Magsimula na yung proseso. By the way, no, I just have a disclaimer here. This is not a one-day process, no. Because